Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. WhatsApp has started rolling out a feature to let you chat with yourself. This feature lets users send notes, reminders and shopping lists to themselves on WhatsApp. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the new chat icon on the bottom right of the screen. At the top of the contacts list, you will see your name or number with a text message yourself under it. Select your profile to open a new chat. A chat window will open just like a regular chat. Like any other chat on WhatsApp, you can send yourself a message just like you would in any other chat. When you want to forward yourself a message, or share a picture, or share a link, your profile will pop up in a list of contacts like any other chat. So in this way, you can message yourself on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.